Using Zapper with copper tubes. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare and use the Synchro Zap with the copper tube accessories. Copper tubes were Dr. Clark's preferred connection method for the Zapper because they provide excellent electrical conductivity while helping minimize the possibility of skin irritation. Begin by wetting a single layer of plain white paper towel with ordinary tap water. Do not use deionized water as it does not conduct as effectively. The paper towel should be damp, but not dripping wet. Wrap each copper tube with its own damp paper towel before use. Using a separate dry paper towel on top of the damp one for each tube is optional but recommended. Connect each coiled cord securely to a copper tube. Before beginning your session, make sure both connections are fully seated. Hold one copper tube comfortably in each hand. A relaxed grip is all that's needed. There is no need to squeeze the tubes tightly. Maintaining good contact with the damp paper towel helps provide consistent conductivity throughout your session. When your session is complete, remove and discard the used paper towels. If needed, wipe the copper tubes with a soft, dry cloth before storing them in a clean, dry place. In the next video, we'll cover operating the Synchro Zap and selecting the appropriate mode for your session.